Hi there. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix an overflow issue in your room air conditioner. The drain pan and drain line helps to manage the condensate produced when the system operates. They accumulate mold as time passes, leading to blockages and water damage. When it gets clogged, the water backs up and overflows the drain pan, causing water damage in the surrounding area. First, we're going to switch off the power. Now I'm going to pull the base cover. There are little tabs I have to pull gently, not break them. There are 3 grabbers and 3 sliders. Two more grabbers up here. Let me lock and see how these grabbers locking the cover. Very simple, isn't it? Next, we're going to disassemble the swing flap. There are 2 screws, we're going to unscrew it. Now we're going to remove the filter. These arrows shows the location of the grabbers. It is holding the middle frame. There are more tabs at the base we need to gently unhook the middle frame. There we go. Now I'm going to disconnect the wire connectors. This one is for this switch and the other one is for swing motor. The swing motor helping to distribute cool air inside the room. There are 2 screws, one here, another one is there. I'm going to unscrew it to remove the drain pan. There is a tab in the middle, I'm going to pull it and then I'm going to remove the drain pan. There we go. It is out. There is no mold, it looks clean. Obviously there is blockage at the water line. I'm going to show you how to clean it. This is the water line, it might be clogged here or somewhere else. This is kind of tool I made it. This is an old pipe, I have removed it from an old air conditioner. It is attached with a funnel. I'm going to use this tool to clean the water line. I got this fish tape. If you don't have one, you can use this wire inside the water line to clean the mold. Your AC drain line can become clogged with mold and mildew that forms in standing water within the drip pan. Or, an AC drain line clog could be caused by general dust, dirt, dander, or debris accidentally entering the drain line. After inserting the fish tape inside the drain pipe, now I'm going to pour some water and stir the fish tape back and forth to make sure all this water pass. There we go. The water is passing. I'm outside here to show you why the drain line was clogged. Look at the mold. That's how it looks like. Have already cleaned the drain pan. Actually, it wasn't very dirty. Now we're gonna reassemble everything back. If you like the video, watch till the end and thumbs up. This is a little switch, can be used if the remote not available. You can switch on and off your AC from here. There are water passage, it should be inspected well. If the drain pan not installed well, the water will still leak inside the room. This is the water passage. Somehow it looks like valley gutter. Now we are going to connect this pipe to the drain pan. Next we are going to connect the wire connectors. There are these little tabs, make sure they are fitted well. We are going to put the filter on. These little grabbers holding the filter. Make sure you hear the clicking sound when you pressing it. If you remember, there are two grabbers here. We are going to press until hear the clicking sound. Ensure the middle frame is fitted well on the base. There are two screws. We are going to tighten it. The motor has a little gear and there is a key. The swing flap should be inserted well. This is the base cover. First we are going to attach it to the base. There are sliders. It is going to slide up and the grabbers will hold the cover. I hope my camera captured well. These are the little grabbers. Now we are going to slide it up and press where the grabbers are. They are going to hold the cover. Power on and enjoy the AC.